Hey lab 5, currently at the 0 state, displaying 0. Waiting for a press, starts incrementing at 1 second. And then you can see that it will reset from 9 to 0 and start over. Okay, and then I can pause anytime I press down. After that, okay, and then pressing down changes it to its slowest state. I can pause here, unpause. Pressing down doesn't do anything because it's already at the slowest state. Pressing up again brings it back to the 1 second state. Yeah. There you go. And then it's at the, now it's at its fastest state. Pressing up doesn't do anything because it's already at its fastest state. And then I can pause here, keep going. I can hold the button down and it stays in this wait pause state, and then press it again and it unpauses, and then I could go back down or down. Now it's back to 1. Now it's to the slowest. Now it's back to 1. Okay. My state machine, I used the supplied counter variables and a bunch of if statements. And I use a pause state for every other state, so I had 7 states in total. And then some of the difficulties I came across was I had to change the A and B initialization. A was equal to 3 and B was equal to 2. I had to switch them around because my display was not working correctly. Other than that, everything went correctly.